How to activate automatic reply on Instagram. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your home page appears. At the bottom you can find different icons. Tap on this profile icon. Now your profile appears. At the top right corner you can find this 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Over here you can find different options. Tap on this option settings. Now go to this option account. Scroll down. You can find this option of switch to professional account. Tap on it. Tap on continue. Now select what category describes you the best and then tap on done. To activate automatic reply on your Instagram account, firstly you have to switch your Instagram account to the business account. So tap on this option of business and then tap on next. Fill up this information and then tap on next. In the case you want to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page, just select it and then tap on next. But for now I will be just skipping this process. And I have just switched my Instagram account to the business account. Now at the top right corner you can see these 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Go to this option settings. Over here you can find different options. Go to this option business. Open it. Over here you can find this option of frequently asked questions. Open it. Now from here you can easily set up automatic reply on your Instagram account. Now you guys are clear about how to activate automatic reply on Instagram. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Now you guys are clear about